Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Redmi 15C is on the blacklist. Alright, so let's begin. As you can see, we are on the IMEI info page, just like always on this channel, and now we need to type in here our IMEI number. Once it's done, we need to click on check IMEI. As you can see now, our Redmi 15C pops out. Now scroll down until you find the basic checks and the advanced checks. Let's begin with the basic one. They are completely for free. And now simply click on Blacklist Simple Check. Now click this blue button. Now we need to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, we have our result that this device is clean. Below we can see the information about the brand, the model, our IMEI number, is device clean, the date on which the report was created at, and below we can also order the Blacklist premium check, but as you can see it costs $4 to perform it. Time needed for this is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Below we have an example how it looks like when device is blacklisted and how when it's clean. When it comes to the advantages of using the paid version, for example, when the device is blacklisted, it contains the information about the manufacturer. We have the blacklist status, is it on the general list status, the blacklist reason, by who it was blacklisted, also the blacklisted country, and the date on which it happened. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.